Good morning to one and all present here. Uh, we are here to present on the topic marketing mix. Respected sir, my name is Saurabh Singh Sengar and my group mates are Divyanshu Kushwaha, Shashank Tripathi and Amarjit Singh Badoria. So let's start with the most important tool for any business or enterprise or an organization is marketing mix. The four P's, the four fundamental strength or pillars you can say is marketing mix. The market mix has four P's: price, product, promotion, and place. So marketing mix means to collect and mix the resources of marketing in the manner that objects of the enterprise may be achieved and maximum satisfaction may be provided to the consumer. Every marketing mix, when you have four P's, you need a process, you need a physical evidence, you need people to perform the objective goals so that the consumer satisfaction can gain a lot of pride in performing in any kind of a business or which is running in an organization. So when we talk about this marketing mix, it is very important and very essential for any kind of a business. You can say that it is a very realistic approach. It has a very specific meaning to have those fundamental strengths. So marketing mix describe the specific combination of marketing elements used to achieve an organizational individual objective and satisfying target market, like product, the four P's which I have already mentioned, that product, price, place, and promotions. So now further slide will be discussed by Divyanshu Kushwaha.
Thank you, Saurav. Now, if we talk in earlier slide, my friend Saurav has told you about the four P's of marketing mix. The four P of the marketing mix is very important for the product. But if we deal in the service sector, so additional three P's are there. That is people, physical evidence, and process. If we talk about the people, for example, if I give the example that if I go to any showroom, there are some we can say that sales executive. What they do, they when the customer come in the we can say the showroom, so they help the customer and they ask what is the problem, what they want. But due to the no responsive staff, the people has to suffer, the customer has to suffer. So in indirectly the goodwill of the company goes in down. So in the sixth, physical evidence is the it is more about appearance or look that the customer get. For example, suppose I go to the any restaurant and I ordered one pizza or I ordered any burger. So at that time, what is the ambience is there means, suppose I am giving 500 rupees for one burger. So if the ambience is not good, people are there, they are drunker and they are abusing in the ambience, and the waiter behavior is not good. So these ambience are there. If these ambience are not there, so the product, the companies producing the product, they will not sell up to the mark. And seventh is the process is delivering the services to the customer. It depend upon time. For example, if I go to the any place by train, so the train master is there, means the executive is there, the servant is there in the executive trains. So if I ask them that what is the time to reach in that particular area, and they are means they are not responding well, and they are saying, sir, the train will reach at means at by 2 hours, in 2 hours. So but it is not happening. So means trains is reaching late, very late, in 4 hours, in 5 hours, and they are means the process is very slow. So it comes in that additional additional marketing mix. The services is there. And and this is the chart of the we can say that of marketing mix. The first is product, and second is promotion, and price, and we can say that physical evidence, process, and people. And further slide will be continued by the Shashank. Thank you. Shashank.
Shashank, audio on kar.
Sorry. Thank you, Divyanshu. Product. Product is anything that can be offered to a market that might satisfy a want or need. In marketing, a product is anything that can be offered to a market that might satisfy a want or a need. In retail, products are called merchandise. In manufacturing, products are called are purchased as a raw material and sold as a finished good. There are two concepts of product. First is narrow narrow concept. Narrow marketing primarily uses the idea of being the best to a certain audience, and it takes to the next level. Essentially, all of our content is going to be tailored to be a particular niche. In its narrow concept, a product is a bundle of a physical or chemical properties which has some utility. A product means an objective which satisfy the uh, need of a customer. Second concept is a wide concept. Wide co- a wide market is a market with considerable profit or margin or a wide spread in the world of investment. A wide market is one of where there is a relatively large spread between bid and offer price on some investment. Uh, uh, Secondly, in wider concept, all the brands are packaging, all the colors, all the design or a product is taken to be a different product. Now, further slide will be discussed by Amarjit Singh Bhadoria.
Now, price and place. The price is a key element of the marketing mix. It must be acceptable to target customer and it must reflect the other component of the mix accurately. The price of the service is the value attached to it by the service provider and it must correspond with the customer prescription of value. For example, if a company set the price of a book at rupees 99, it is more attractive than at rupees 100. Now, second is place. Place is another element of marketing mix. It means where and when the product and service can be purchased. The answer is likely to reflect customer needs and expectation, competitive activity, and the nature of the service operation. Now, example, it is very important for a brand to have a good image, a very good market area. For example, KFC and Domino's are at a reasonable price who can afford. Now, second slide is product. This refers to all activities undertaken to make the product or service known the user and trade. This can include advertising, word of mouth, press reports, incentives, commission, and award to the trade. It can also include consumer schemes, direct marketing, contest, and price. Now, example, your company may sell multiple lines of product at the four dimension to a company product mix include weight, length, depth, and consistency. Thank you.
At last, I would like to conclude by saying that marketing is very essential for any kind of a business or enterprise, or maybe you can say an organization, because it plays a very vital role for any kind of a product which we are providing, for any kind of service, maybe you can say, because it is apart from that, those four P's, physical evidence and people and process is also most important, because it creates a brand image, it creates a consumer satisfaction that we enhance, and we have we have an important role to play in those customers regarding that. So at last we would we all can say that marketing mix is very crucial for us, and it is very important for us to be a part of any kind of a business or any kind of a product which we are which we are giving to the consumer, or to satisfy all those kind of needs. So it is very important. And thank you. That's all from our side. And sir, if you can't see Divyanshu Kushwaha because he was sharing the PPT, so it was he was not visible for such a period of time. But at least he has given a little bit of view how he looks.